Hi there, Ian from In 30 Minutes Guides, including Google Drive and Docs in 30 minutes. Today I'm going to show you how to export an image of your Google Slides presentation. If this video helps, please take a moment to follow the channel and like the video, and let's get started. Now, this works whether you're using Windows or Mac or Chromebook. The only requirement I suggest is you use the Google Chrome browser because Google designed slides to work better with Chrome. So here's my presentation, and let's say that I want to take the fourth slide here, and I want to export that as an image. Go to File, Download, and you have two options here, JPEG and PNG. I usually recommend PNG because the quality is better, but if you want to get a smaller file, choose JPEG. So let's just choose JPEG. And it will prompt you to save it to your hard drive, which I'm going to do. And let's open it up and see what it looks like. Here it is. In terms of the size, it's not super high quality, 960 by 540. The other thing that's worth mentioning about this technique to export images is you can't select multiple slides in the sidebar here and export them. So if I did this, File, Download, Export as a JPEG, it would only export the last one in the selection. And that's not ideal if you have a lot of images you want to export. Like, let's say I wanted to export everything. I'd have to do it one by one. But if you need to get an image for some other sort of document, or maybe to print out, or maybe to put on your website, this is a good way to do it. For more information on how to get the most out of Google Slides, I've written a book about Google Drive, Docs, Sheets, and Slides. It's available from in30minutes.com. If this video helped you, if you could like it and follow my channel, I'd be very grateful. This is Ian signing off. Thank you so much.